Hello everyone! Good morning! So today is a Thursday. It's the last day of work for the week. Not only that, the last teaching day of the semester as well as of the academic year. Starting Sunday, we will start with the final exams. So today, I was invited with Docky. William invited Docky and I to go to Muscat, not only for one night, but 2 nights. So later, I will ask permission to leave early, and then from the college, we will be heading to pick up Doki and then head for Muscat. So I hope that I can buy all the things I need to buy in Muscat in preparation for going home for vacation in the middle of June. Ha! Excited. Ha! So watch out for where we're going. I'm gonna be vlogging. See ya! So I'm in the ground floor of the engineering building. I'm waiting for William to arrive. In the meantime, I'm attending an online meeting, okay, via MS Teams. So I'm gonna sit here for a while and attend the meeting while waiting for William. Tara, game!
Mugat pala, sorry na. Ay, salamat.
Andito na kami! Andyan na si Doki!
Dapat siya nang mag-ship kayo ng ano.
Nang...
Ayan o,
Ay, oh, ito bag ko!
Oo.
Para ano ako,
Natalo
color coded tayo!
Tawag dito, bigyan mo ako ng lalaki dito. Punta na kami next week dito ulit. Meron na.
Sino ba sa mga bahay dito?
Oh.
Wala, grabe. So, ikaw ang mapuli dahil sa Pilipinas. Yun na.
Ayan! Kompletos na tayo!
Ayun na. Ano rin yung magaling sumagot-sagot din?
Oo, palaban, baklang-bakla rin
Oo,
sila dito eh.
hindi
Oo,
pasarela.
palaban, di ba?
Palaban din yan sana.
Oo, yun din natingin ko. Yung kainda okay rin. Kaya nga sabi ko, okay itong ano.
Then out of nowhere.
As in siya.
Ano tawag mo nun? Dark
Underrated.
Horse? Ano ba?
Dark Horse,
Oo,
underrated.
oo. Kung sino yung out of radar, yun ang nanalo. Ang weird talaga.
Pang ano lang, tingin ko nga pang ano lang talaga.
Oo.
Para
Oo.
walang makalaban. May mga gusto silang
Para wala ng gulo.
palabasin.
Oo.
Siyempre, alam mo lang, walang
Mag-aaway-away kapag ito ang nanalo, yun ang manalo. Somebody na lang na ano.
Oo.
Totally unexpected.
Lalo, pero dapat sila, yung addition sa kasi Brooksana ang yung last two women na nag
Oo.
I cannot imagine
Diyos
the
ko, ang
gulo ng crowd.
Ang gulo siguro.
Yun ang gusto kong panoorin.
Kung sana ganun ang nangyari. Ano?
Last year ganun, di ang na-proclaim pero binabato yung pangalan ng isa. Sino yun? Yung maganda rin last year?
Pauline.
Pauline hanggang sa elevator, escalator, Pauline ang ano nila.
Oo.
Insulto.
Ravana Ulana. Uy! Masyado yatang malapit, Yami. Dito. Forward konti. Okay. So we're here. Doki. Doki.
Oh, sorry.
Doki the bag.
Thank you. It's for your health.
Ah!
Kaya?
Yeah. Up. And we're back at the Hilton. Back at the Hilton. Oh!
What is that?
Dubai. Dubai. UAE. like, need help, Yummy? Marami ka bang karga? Ha? Okay.
Kanina to marami ako dito magano.
Tina,
Meron ang schedule na yan.
you scheduled it already. Ijada mo? Oh, yun din ang ginawa ko kanina. As in, although I still need, like, may require sa akin more evidences for it. Pero yun lang, yun lang. Inshallah, I'll be able to finish everything.
Ako na ako ng boy. Ako di wala naman yung bag.
Docky is joining us for the first time here at the Hilton.
Kami ng ano ba? Ay,
Alright.
dapat sa'yo. Sadya.
Oh, and bag. Let me see. Idris. We're back.
Good to see you again.
Yeah. There's 3 of us this time.
Okay, welcome.
Hi, Imran and Mohammed. So we'll go adjacent rooms lang naman, but it doesn't have that adjoining door. But we'll just go to William's room for now. They said it will take around 15 minutes.
Iwan ko na kayo.
Kunin mo yung isang susi.
Yes. Hindi naman nag-reply si
Brent?
Nadine. Tulog yun dahil
Evening siya, baka nakatulog siya.
Okay.
So,
Down,
here. First floor, I think.
Yeah, 112.
Oh, 112.
And
Oh, this first time we're staying in a first
First floor.
floor.
We requested
But-
4 or 5 or
But they're giving us a suite room, not an ordinary room.
we used to be there.
Yeah.
The one that is
Ito na?
spacious.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, the one that's really spacious. We had,
Yes.
I think
I
one
don't need
time.
that. Yeah.
One. Which way is one?
112.
One.
Here.
This way?
Right side.
101. Very nice.
Yeah, 102 and 112. 102 is suite room.
So hindi siya
112, right?
Nice one. Tomorrow ko na lang
112.
112.
To try it. This way?
Yes.
i-video ko na lang gani.
And we're here. Akala ko ba suite room binigay niya? Okay. Just because it has a sofa and not just a couch.
Sana dito na lang tayo.
Oh, adjacent naman eh. May connecting room naman. But perhaps this is not our room.
114?
I don't know.
Yeah, 114.
Will be adjoining room?
No, this now is your room is very big, suite room.
Where?
102. After 10 he is to 15 minutes, he bring new key card.
Okay. But that one has 2 beds.
Yeah, this one too bad.
Mm. Wow. You know, small single couch or in a circular.
Malaki.
I was thinking also the same kasi sabi niya suite room eh.
Pero sabi niya may bagong room, diba?
Yung sa inyo na malaki daw.
Kasi sabi niya, it's a little bigger because 2 beds.
Oo. 102 ka man daw siya.
Do we have a garden view?
Yeah.
It's a garden view.
It's a garden view. I thought we were on the backside.
No, hindi pwede. Always garden. Dapat tayo na mataas.
Oh, at least kita.
Opo, there.
Kape kayo? Ano,
Ay,
kape kayo?
ako, mamaya na. Maghahanap ako mamaya ng Gatorade. I need electrolytes, I guess. Kasi ramdam ko siya.
Doon meron din sa baba.
Wala.
Parang meron silang ano doon.
Meron sila, pero tinignan ko, they only have swipes, how do you say it?
For coffee.
Soda, and what else? Oh, si Docky.
Fresh from work. My God.
We're all fresh from work.
And
The
tired.
entire morning I
Tired.
spent preparing for my EJADA evidences, and then all of a sudden they want us to fill up this moderation form churba. And anyhow, we're all
Sir.
hagarda from work, but we hope that
Mag-request kayo ng extra kilo nyo, ah?
will do.
Super hard.
Yeah.
Don't travel.
Yeah. Key. There's no need for kwan na ano, yung parang key na ini-insert, right?
Yeah. Here.
That was the biggest buffet spread that we'd had, no? Yung sa Kempinski Yam, no? Mas malaki siya kaysa dun sa Shangri-La, right?
Shangri-La.
Oo. Tapos, so many people
Pero ang
dining.
ganda nung banding natin sa Shangri-La, yung overlooking
Oo.
yung nagre-relax tayo.
Oo, yung nakaupo lang tayo, ano. Kasi open water siya, tapos the sunset was nice, tapos tama lang yung breeze. It was like cooling lang.
Anong month yan?
Anong month ba tayo pumunta nun? Nakalimutan ko na. I think it was a summer that we cannot go
Yeah,
home.
because of the restrictions.
Oo, hindi tayo nakauwi. It was the summer vacay. And I still have that automatic upgrade. But we never went back na, sayang. Kaso lang, kung pupunta tayo na, 100 reals per night na siya.
Isang pandemic,
Oh, bongacious! Wow, look at the room! There's even a kitchen!
Ito pala, kitchen pa lang to.
Kitchen!
Pero hindi doon.
Ayan na!
Oh,
Asan?
Kaya mo na.
Hayaan mo na.
okay na nga. Kaya-
Oh my God! Wow! Where's the lights?
Okay, dessert.
Oh my goodness. Huh?
O, diba?
Sabi niya dalawang bed.
Bahay ba to ni ano?
Bahay, bato!
Elizabeth?
O dito tayo magtambay, Yami. Dito tayo kakain.
Pero dapat bukas ganito sana na, 2 bed.
Sabihin mo na lang
Dalawang
kayo,
bed.
Chris. Ay,
Uy,
oo nga
change,
pala.
pwede yan?
Look at our room! Look at our room! This is our room! Kaya pala sinabi niyang sweet. And the reason why he said it's so sweet! Isn't that great? Look at the spacious room! First time having a room like this in the Hilton. See? We have a sitting room. We have a sitting room.
The kitchen.
There's the garden view. Dito ka na magtamba.
This is the multiple,
O, di ba parang condo? Parang condo ang dating.
This is my condo.
It's a condo.
Huge arrangement.
O, di ba? O, asan ba ang CR? Ayun. CR ba? I just got the dreaded bathtub. Oh my. Oh. What's this? Bidet.
Tingnan mo.
Malit nga lang.
Good experience.
O, di ba?
With that price? Kahit ganito ay sa pagpuli natin.
Pagkakain mo si Brett.
Punta muna ako dun ng CR.
Sige. Ay, isusin mo dyan na.
Ha?
Yung susi mo. Tapos yung ganito, nasa mesa. Yung nakaganito. Nga.
Okay.
Boy, ingat.
Mag-freshen up and then we can go.
Be careful.
diba? We have a kitchen. It's like we move into a condo.
Yeah.
Oh, with high chairs.
This is my very own
Hair chairs.
hand.
And my reflection over there. Hello! Diva. First time having this kind of room at the Hilton. I'm so pleased. I'm so pleased. Diva. Isn't it great, Docky?
Yeah.
Diva. Charan. 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 Diba?
Wow, what a nice view. That your bed is quite large.
Yeah.
Enough to hold
That's
such,
why
yeah,
it's so
such,
unusual.
you know?
I'm usually Miss Girl Scout. I would bring everything I think I would be needing. But perhaps it's because of aging. I'm now in my I'm 50 now. So I guess that is it has an effect on my memory. So there are things that even though I thought, I already brought everything that I need to bring, I still somehow, when I get to my destination, I kind of left out some things that I would be needing.
So basically, there is a second. Oh, okay. This is kind of a basement downward here, because
The parking lot is in the
parking
basement.
lot, yeah, it's quite something like an underground or subway something.
So I'm wondering what happens
There's a
to that
garden
basement,
specific.
if there's a wadi here.
Oh, I don't think so. I mean, I think they've done something to
Where's
mitigate
my-
the effects of the wine. I don't think so. It has bad effects.
Me and
I
basement.
like the attitude of this lamp. Yeah, I like it.
Oh, kasi
How
parang ano siya, yung...
the design and how it leans. Yeah.
Oh, okay na, mag-freshen up ka na.
Yeah,
Magpa-beauty ka na.
Really? I still
Yeah.
have the energy to do so.
Yeah, you should have.
After
What do I
little
need?
travel.
What do I need? Lipstick.
Yeah.
See? I left my lip liner.
Oh.
I don't have a lip
It's not
liner.
even a requirement. It surprises me.
Because my lips doesn't have a very
I love this
definite
room.
like line.
Because there are a lot of lamps here, nightstand.
And what I notice
floor
with
lamps.
most hotels, it's like mood lighting. Parang it's not conducive to read. Only on
Because this is
specific
sleep.
places. For example, there where there's a lamp, there's a reading lamp. Only there you can read. You cannot just there's no fluorescent lamp or whatever on the ceiling.
It's made for sleeping and resting.
Parang ganun na yung
Serves its purpose.
yung pinaka
Right there.
I brought a very light color.
Si Jan, kumusta kayo? How are you doing?
All the stress that we had, we deserve a break.
Yeah.
I for one, I'm so stressed out lately. I don't know why. I guess because, work got, like I'm having a backlog of sorts. I still have a lot of papers to check and all that, but I'm doing my best to keep up with all the things that I need to complete. But unfortunately, sometimes time just ain't enough. So now let's put some mascara on. I have really thin lashes. I almost don't have lashes. My mom told me when I was a kid that I almost don't have really I don't have lashes. She even, tried to cut them in the hopes that it will thicken, but no hope. It's still so thin. So mascara is a must. Otherwise, I feel like I don't have eyelashes. Anyway, so now I'm done with this. Do I have to bring these things?
So what's the plan?
We have to go.
We go somewhere. Where?
Not MGM.
And
We'll
then,
go MGM.
How long are we gonna go then?
We'll be there and then we'll cross over to Avenues. And then from there, Lucius for dinner. We'll try that buffet. And I hope it won't disappoint like the last time.
O, diba?
Ah, ang mga pasyando. Pasyando, todo-todo. Malling kami tonight.
2 hours lang?
Hmm?
2 hours lang.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I'm not gonna
We'll
buy anything like
manage.
her. What? I don't have money like her. Yeah, yan sa kanya.
Imagínate, eso está muy
I'm
bien.
just a nanny.
As ako, I know, as I get older, some people become more patient.
Really?
But for me, I guess,
You?
like, I'm less tolerant of, stupidity perhaps. Illogical
Stupid is forever,
things.
as said
Stupid.
by
Unfortunately, stupid is forever,
Miriam
according to
Defensor
Miriam
Santiago.
Defensor
A
Sancho.
lot eh.
So, oo, ano siya, yung
Courtesy of-
maganda yung ano niya pag brightness.
Yeah.
Parang dito, ganyan siya. Here
It
it's
looks like
brighter.
model for the
So we're MGM.
Perfume. I think you're looking for perfume.
Doon na lang sa Ibre para makahingi ka ng mas malaking discount. Diba?
I go for
I want Daiso. Oh, sa Riva.
clothes.
Doon ako nakabili yung skirt
That's
ko.
my favorite.
Yung nung birthday ko. Yung black
Our
na
choice
skirt.
yun.
Our choice yun.
Mas,
I wanted that yung parang robe na green. But it was still so expensive. Naturalizer. I need yung apakan sa sapatos. What do you call that? Sole? Insole?
find it in the
Also, yung ano pa
pharmacy.
yung Japanese.
Oh, dito. Daiso. Tapos for their glasses, kasi ito, tinanggal ko to sa Ray-Ban ko.
Oh.
Para, pag yumuko ko, just in case na malaglag, may ganito. Oo, pero this is too much like a sporty one. So I wanted a
Saan ka
little.
bibili?
Tingnan natin dito.
Sa Daiso rin. Baka
Oo.
meron.
Baka meron. Ang ganda ng kulay ng ng shirt mo, Yami. I love it. At saka yung pagka-blue din ng ang ganda ng oo, di ba? Shopping galore. I didn't plan to buy any clothes, but I ended up buying 3 pieces of clothes plus the things I bought at Daiso. These are not in the plan or in the list of things that I would buy here in Muscat, but I ended up buying them anyway. So, oh my god, shopping is such a temptation, and I cannot resist.
Or chocolate. Versus
May chocolate na. Kwan na lang.
No. Pistachio.
Hindi ako pwede sa nuts.
Saffron.
Okay.
Para sa
Okay,
cheesecake
tiramisu.
one din. O sige, yan sa.
Tiramisu. So we're in a place called Mamma Mia. Can I see the name? Mamma Mia. Here we go again. We're having gelato again, but a different brand. It's an Italian gelato this time.
So anong size yan? O sige, sayang
The
naman
medium.
yun.
Kasi kin maliit alanganin.
Kaya nga.
Yeah, thank you so
Ala,
much.
baka mabusog na tayo
Hindi.
niyan.
Upo, hindi. Ay, iba ka to. Oh,
Come,
doon ka
come, come.
to. Maupo ka na
O
doon.
anong isa pa sa'yo?
Ay, pinag-uwi.
We're having. Should we get the table or this?
Here.
So we're here. We're in, what's the name of the place? Nasa taas daw. The buffet.
First, I wanna appreciate the place.
Yeah.
Wow.
What's the name again? Lucius?
Yeah.
Lucius Restaurant. Where did William go? So we're in this place. We'll take the couch. Can we sit here? So we're in the first floor, which is second floor in the Philippines. Yeah. So we are joined by Brent. Hi,
Kami
Brent.
lahat, mga friends. Dito kami umupo kasi magbaba yung couch.
Yeah, parang hirap abutin yung table. So,
Ayan.
yeah, my food. Look, my food.
Gutom na gutom.
My food.
Ano
So
naman
much.
dito? Ayan.
O, doon tayo tambay sa taas.
Oh, pwede kung bukas.
Parang ako napagod ito kumain.
Hindi, tampisaw lang tayo sa pool.
And we're back. And I'm full. And my energy is somewhat depleted. Pero sige lang. I need tea. I think I'll feel better when I have tea.
Iba, kahit hanggang umaga pa, pwede.
The stamina is the one that suffers most. No? Yung parang you used to have this bustling, bubbling energy. Now it's
Ting! Ganun na. Okay.
and we're back in our room, our beautiful room, which I am so happy about. It's and it's time for my show and tell to my hubby. Magiging popular ang YouTube ko. Baka biglang mag 1 million followers.
Oo,
So I got this one.
Yan ang ginagawa nila.
Chanel looking coat.
Ganda. Bagay sa yung pula.
What you think?
Bagay git sa imo. Ang wala dapat yung color. Sok mo yan. Wala dapat.
Masyado naman yata ang nakayuko.
Ilan na?
11.
Baparato ba?
It's only 11
Uy,
real.
wala akong kabalo kay kung may amo na dito. Binakal ko man ay.
11 real. And then,
Namin.
next one is Mind the Color. It's, what color is color? Plum? Is it plum?
Yeah.
The color of an eggplant? Aubergine?
Ako? Angay sa imo.
Okay. Second. This is the second one. And then the
Pila
third
naman
one.
iya? Pila naman
That one is 9.5.
Oh.
This one is only 4 point something.
Barato ba?
This is how do you say it? Bershka? Berkshire? What? Bershka?
Dito mo gipakal sa Bershka?
No.
Abdi ko na sa Bershka.
It's reversed. Sorry.
Ako ba?
Okay.
Nakita ikaw ka ba?
Magdadami ang aking followers niyan, ha? Okay. That's purchase number 3. Nawala sa plano. It's not in the list of things I said I would buy. I got an additional clipboard. I got a luggage organizer. I got insole. What do you call this things? The one you put inside the shoe.
The foam.
Yeah. And then cotton pads and a lanyard. A lanyard for the phone. A long lanyard for the phone. And then a hook. Me, I have a fascination for hooks.
Yeah.
Yeah, Doc, you can see in my house so many hooks. Yeah, I don't know why I'm so fascinated
You're
with
so
hooks. I'm so hooked with hooks. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Magkano ang damage ko? Day 2. Good morning. So we just had breakfast. We are done with breakfast. We finished breakfast. We ordered the Jollibee through Talabat. Good morning. It's a lovely morning. If you can see from outside, we're in our place. This is the reception area. We have a small kitchen over here. And then this is our big room. Big room. Big room. Okay, so that much space. Look at the distance from the foot of the bed to the table here. That's how big the space is. Isn't it lovely? And we are done in this room. We only booked this room for one night. We will transfer. Docky is leaving us.
Ahead.
She needs more loyalty. She's leaving us. She's abandoning us. She's leaving for Buraimi. So William and I will stay one more night, but we have to transfer room. So my staff, William already brought my staff to the new room. So we only have Docky's stuff here. We will check out officially from this room. Let us check if we left anything. Okay, so goodbye, sweet room. I hope to see you again in the future. I hope we will get booked in this room again or a similar room in the future.
Kanugon mo?
Pero, you know, me and William, we seldom really yung mga long-term planning. More often than not, mga instant yan.
Okay, para
Oo.
madali.
Hindi naman sa ganun, kundi, kunwari, nasa mood si William na mag-BBQ. Te, sa Webes, BBQ tayo. Ganun lang yan. Sige, ganun lang din ako. Kaya, te, mas ka tayo sa weekend. Ganun siya.
Oo.
Mga ganun lang. Hindi nga, next month, ganun
Oo.
tayo. Punta tayo. Hindi ganun. So, mga ano lang talaga.
Nagkabing pa, depende sa schedule sa ambi.
Oo.
Hindi ko yung mga bagang, although ang naman ako ang New Year, napa-okay ko
Oo,
na yan.
pero syempre,
So,
Christmas and New Year is really the time we have to.
Sa Christmas,
Wow.
gatag lang kung ano kakita mo ang Pinoy, diba?
Kaso lang, nung
So, makikisigilan
previous
tayo,
na
sila
Christmas, itong previous na Christmas, mahirap.
Where are you going?
How? Tara. Can go there.
Okay, baba na.
Oo. I-check out ko lang yung keys.
Okay. So I'll wait you downstairs.
Oo. Ay, dali. Dali.
Ay na, dalo niya.
Sumama ka na sa kanya.
Yes.
Uy, dali lang key yung success.
Ako na. Para makasettle ka na dun. Okay. Hello. We're checking out on this room, but I'm joining William in the new room, okay?
No problem. Thank you.
Bye-bye. See you later. And we're off.
Hindi, nag-uumpisa na si Ating sa business. May 50 kgs na siya ng bangus. Yes, that's something.
Pages off?
Bangus.
Bangos.
In 2 hours, masosold out yun.
Bagay
Diyos
nga
ka.
businessman.
Ay, wow.
Inaayos niya nga daw yung pwesto ngayon.
Eh,
Dinala
at least,
niya doon yung
kung mag-prosper
freezer.
yun, mag-resign ka na.
Ay, Diyos
Ano yung
ko.
Oman Club?
Ha? Yan yung sinasabi nilang display ng mga pagkain.
Well, you're right.
Dito yung hospital.
Oo, ito yung
Yeah.
Sabi dito yung...
Dito ako napunta kasama ko si Miriam nun.
Diyan ka na hospital?
Hindi, si
Mahal
Miriam. Si Miriam, sinamahan ka minsan na mag-check up.
Uy, number 1 box.
Ano, marami ka ng bashers dyan. Dumadami ng bashers mo, nagiging famous ka na, Doki.
Uy, ang mga friends ko dito, ng mga classmates ko, matagal
Oo.
ko na hindi nakita, makilala ko.
Oh.
Diyan sila nag-activate.
Oo, dahil
To connect.
dahil sa miss you na pang mga post ko. Sabi ko,
Diyos
ay,
ko.
buhay pa pala tong si Kwan. Sabi ko.
Nai-intrigue sila.
Mm.
And we're back. It's a tradition, it's a ritual to come to Jollibee whenever in Muscat. Saan ba siya? She's inside. Welcome back to Jollibee. Naka-order ka na?
Enjoy and Curtis. Ay, namin yan. Sila.
Which that?
Rice with chicken.
No, that will become mushy kung hindi mo kainin kaagad.
Ganun spicy. Pwede ako mag-travel.
Ay, may peach mango pie na. Can I have? I'll have. Order din ako peach mango pie. I miss that.